Hi, today I'm from Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, click on the switcher. Tap to more, I agree, read the descriptions. Tap to next. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want our assistant to recognize your voice when you say OK Google or Hey Google, you should tap here to voice model, click to retain voice model, and say OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now for the other step to next, I agree. And now when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.